In today's video, we will learn how to form the past perfect continuous tense with many examples. Past perfect continuous tense describes an action that happened in the past and continued to happen over a period of time. Apart from showing continuity, past perfect tense also focuses on the duration of time that was taken to perform the action. Let's learn how to form the sentences in past perfect continuous tense and their examples. Subject plus had plus been plus verbs ing form plus object if any. For example, she had been studying for 3 hours before the phone rang. They had been waiting at the airport for 2 hours when the flight was finally announced. I had been working on the project all day long before I realized my mistake. He had been living in New York for 5 years before he moved to Los Angeles. We had been saving money for months before we could afford the vacation. Let's have a look on the usage and examples of past perfect continuous tense. To describe a past action already started and continued up to another action or time in the past. For example, the boys had been playing soccer for about an hour when it started to rain. To express the duration before something in the past, Richard needed a holiday because he had been working hard for 6 months. To describe the cause of something in the past, he was tried because he had been jogging. Let's learn how to construct the positive, negative, and interrogative sentences in past perfect continuous tense. Positive: subject plus had plus been plus verbs ing form plus object if any. For example, they had been playing tennis. Negative: subject plus had not plus been plus verbs ing form plus object. They had not been playing tennis. Interrogative: had plus subject plus been plus verbs ing form plus question mark. Had they been playing tennis? Let's learn some examples of positive, negative, and interrogative sentences. Positive: I had been playing, you had been playing, we had been playing, he had been playing. Negative: I had not been playing, you had not been playing, we had not been playing, he had not been playing. Interrogative: had I been playing? Had you been playing? Had we been playing? Had he been playing? Thank you for watching the video. Like, share, and subscribe.